first topic is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is also an important endocrine gland after pituitary gland. It is known as thyroid gland is known as largest gland in the body because of its size. It is the largest endocrine gland. When we talk about gland only, whether it is exocrine or endocrine, then the largest gland in the body is pancreas. But when we talk only about endocrine glands, then thyroid gland is the largest gland in the body. It is situated in the neck, just behind larynx. The hormones produced by thyroid gland are thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroid gland requires intake of iodine to produce its hormones thyroxine and calcitonin. But if due to any reason this iodine is not available to thyroid gland will not work and increase in size. This condition, this problem related to the thyroid gland, swelling in the thyroid gland, increase in size of the thyroid gland in the neck region. This condition is called goiter. Increase in the size of thyroid gland, swelling in the thyroid gland, hanging of the neck region where thyroid gland is situated is called goiter. It is because of deficiency of iodine. What if iodine is provided to the thyroid gland? If iodine is provided to the thyroid gland will function properly. It will produce its hormone thyroxine and calcitonin. But one thing more to tell you about thyroid gland. Before it starts to produce its hormones, thyroid gland doesn't require only iodine. It also requires a hormone from pituitary gland, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. Without any of these, iodine and thyroid stimulating hormone, thyroid gland will never function. If these two are provided to thyroid gland, only then thyroid gland will produce its hormones. Now we come to the functions of the hormones produced by thyroid gland. Thyroxine, a hormone of thyroid gland, is involved in body metabolism or energy production. The function of thyroid glands thyroxine, the function of the thyroxine from thyroid gland is energy production, or in other words metabolism. Before we go into the details of the other hormone calcitonin, first we consider thyroxine in detail. If thyroxine is produced in more than normal amount, there will be more than normal energy production or metabolism in the body. This condition is called hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism means overactive thyroid gland. Thyroid gland becomes overactive when there is overproduction more production of thyroxine. When thyroxine is produced in more abundance, more amount, then body's metabolism will be fast. There will be high than normal metabolism, high energy production, high heart rate, high BP, high blood pressure, high breathing rate. All these changes in the body will cause the energy to be dissipated, to be lost, and when the energy will be in more than normal amount, it will also change the temperature above normal. Temperature will also be increased, and increase in temperature will cause the enzymes to denature, and with all these changes body reactions will not occur normally, and there may be serious complications. On contrary with the hyperthyroidism, as an opposite to the hyperthyroidism is hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism means when thyroxine is produced in less amount, underproduction of thyroxine is called hypothyroidism. When thyroxine will be produced less than it is required, metabolism will be slow, temperature will be lower than the normal, and heart rate will also be low, and blood pressure will also be low blood pressure. All these changes will make you, or will make the person who is suffering from hypothyroidism very much inactive or lazy. The other hormone, the calcitonin from thyroid gland, has the function to store, to deposit calcium into bones. Calcitonin takes the calcium which is present in the blood and deposits it or stores it into the bones. So, calcitonin plays an important role in formation and development of bones.